Hey jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have got some more products from SheModern that I am going to be doing a design with today. Unfortunately it will only be with the lady in red as it didn't quite work out with the shoes. I'll have to use that in a different video. So this is the base that I'm going to be using. So it's Kiki London, this is Nude Tan. And what I'm going to be doing is applying SheModern's glue gel because I'm going to be adding some glitter on top of these. So you just want to apply it like you would any other normal gel polish, and then you need to pop that into your lamp and cure it for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to be using this gorgeous Marmalady glitter from Chameleon glitter, and this is going to be going on all of the nails as a gorgeous glittery base. But you can see that the SheModern dry pigment, you know, it works really well with glitter. It just all sticks really nicely. And then you can kind of just like burnish all that in. Now, whenever I work with glitter, I always put on a gel base coat first, just because I don't mind really contaminating that. I don't really want lots of different glitters in my top coats, because obviously that's the final thing to finish off your mani. So you want to cure that into your lamp. Mine will be for 30 seconds because I've got a 48 watt LED lamp. So I'm going to be taking images off of this gorgeous Uberchic plate, which is obviously Paris themed. So I'm just going to put this Eiffel Tower here because it's kind of going to be a bit in the background. So there you go. Then I'm going to be using SheModern's foil art gel, because obviously I'm going to be using that to stick the foil arts to this nail. And again, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is so gorgeous, and I love the fact that you can get 2 colour foil arts now from SheModern, so you can pick exactly which colour that you want. So I've obviously gone for like a lady in red. So I'm using my Divine by Natasha scissors to cut out these decals ready to put into the water. Now, a good way to make sure that you don't get the outline of the decal is to cut it as close to the image as possible. So obviously be careful so you don't cut into the image. That's what I'm doing here. Then you just want to place that into some water. Literally, it'll only need 10 seconds and it'll separate from the backing sheet. So once you can separate it like this, make sure you've got some like paper towel that you can dab off the excess water, because you don't want that affecting the stickiness that will, you know, from the glue. And then place it on the nail where you want it. And then I just normally use my tweezers to place it down, and then, you know, I try not to overly touch it with my finger in case I want to add some more detail, some more decals, but this is all I'm going to be adding on this image. And then you want to go in. I'm using the SheModern foil art, which you can use as a top coat as well, because it won't affect or dull the foil look from these decals. Before I cure it and pop it into the lamp, I'm going to be just adding a little rhinestone on the top of the hair, just to add a bit of bling to the nail. And then you want to cure that for 30 seconds in your lamp. Then I'm using this Moyra Vintage 05 plate because I'm getting this gorgeous lamppost image here. So I'm just going to get rid of the bits that I don't want. Now, because the nails that I'm using are really long, I can, you know, put this image on this nail. So this is definitely a design probably more for people that have got longer nails as opposed to shorter. I'm sure you could do it on shorter nails, but yeah. So before I cure it, I'm just going to be adding these red rhinestones into the lamps, because obviously I just want to have the pop of red on each of the nails. Now, before I actually cured this, I moved it down just slightly so you could see the top of the lamp as well. Then I'm using, I think this is a Born Pretty plate, where you've got all these different dancer images. So that is what I'm going to be using for the guy. And I'm going to place him next to the lamppost, like so. And I did add some of the red rhinestones in the lamppost as well. Now with the small dotting tool, I am literally just adding a bit of red stamping polish there, just to kind of, so he's got a bit of red on him as well. Could be his handkerchief or a flower. Then going back to the Uberchic plate, I am taking this sort of like cafe style look, and this is going to be on the pinky nail. Just going to add that at the top, like so. So I managed to get most of it even on a pinky nail, which is really good. So basically what I wanted to do, or get the scene of, was like she'd kicked off her shoes to kind of dance with this guy in the streets of Paris. But as you'll see, these shoes are a fair bit bigger, and it would just look a little bit strange if I put them on, because it would basically be like she's got giant feet, which it just didn't work. The shoes were too big. So there you go. So I decided to take this off, and I will have to use these in another mani. So yeah, so it'd be nice if the shoes would be a little bit smaller, that you could work more with. So basically I just took the shoe off of this Uberchic plate. So I added 2 shoes, and then I just came in with a Sharpie, just because it's quicker. And you can still get the glitter coming through as well, which is really pretty, and that's what I used on the umbrella as well, to bring the bit of red in on this nail also. And that is it. That is your mani done. I really like it. I love the pop of red. I do like images like that where you just get like a pop of a colour. So this is like my romantic Paris themed design. And I really hope that you like it, Jelly Babes. I am so loving using SheModern's products at the moment, especially these 2 colour foil arts. They're really awesome. So yeah, so if you decide to recreate this, I would love to see your recreations. Tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious, and I'll do my best to repost them and give you a shout out as well. So that is it for me today. So thank you, SheModern, for sending me out these products. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this mani. Please press that free subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments. Bye.